Hello everyone. Today I'm coming at you real quick with a little Tiny Tuesdays savings. I have several little savings here that I got. These ones are ones that I got on Etsy. I just downloaded them. They are from Budget with Jenny on Etsy. So they're so cute, little Christmas themes. I love this little gingerbread man. Adorable. Ugh, can't wait to use those. And then I have these ones. They're like Corgi Christmas. These were designed by me. And these are actually free in my Ko-fi shop if you haven't downloaded them yet. Go get them. Look how cute they are. Oh my goodness. Okay. And then these are also designed by me. I was having a hard time finding little tiny challenges that I like. But anyways, these are Merry Seals. These are in my Etsy and my Ko-fi as well. And these are so cute. Little seals. Okay, so I'm going to use 2 of each of these challenges for a total of 6. So let's grab the gingerbread man and the snowman. And let's grab this guy and this one. And this little seal. And this one with the Merry Christmas sign. Actually, no, because they have... let's do the tree one. I like the tree one. Okay. Okay, so for these Tiny Tuesdays, I decided I'm going to put these towards debt. I have credit card debt. I have a car loan that I am working on paying off. I have student loans, of course, and oh my goodness, various other medical debt. What else? I think that's basically it. But lots of student loans. I have not paid anything really for my student loans. And whenever I'm cash stuffing, if you've watched some of my videos, you know, like I just am not motivated to cash stuff for my debt because I find it boring and like not fun. So I'm hoping that this makes it fun and that hold on, let me move this cord because last time I realized you could see a little piece of the cord right here from my microphone. So let me make sure that's not in the camera. But anyways, I'm hoping this makes it fun to save for debt because those are things that I need to pay off. Also, before we jump in, I just wanted to share this little Kitten Whiskers savings challenge. This is a freebie for today for my days of giving, like this week. So yesterday we had the Raindrops and Roses, and today we have Kitten Whiskers. It is absolutely free in my Ko-fi shop, which is linked in my bio. So go get that if you would like it. But okay, so for these Tiny Tuesdays, we're going to do just $1 a piece, and I will allocate these to specific debts. And I guess I need to find some sort of organization system because I don't know how. I think I've seen people put them in binders or like big envelopes, but I haven't yet decided how to store all these things. I was feeling so sick today that it is currently 10 o'clock or something. And when I got home, I felt so sick to my stomach. I had to lay down, and I feel terrible because I was supposed to meet up, or not meet up, but I was supposed to be here to give this jacket that I am selling on Facebook Marketplace to this lady. And she came, and I must not have heard her because my ring is dead and I was passed out. Just so miserable. And so I feel so terrible. I messaged her saying, you know, I could bring it to her, but she probably hates my guts now and doesn't want to hear from me. And I totally understand that. This dice does not like 3. Come on. 1. Okay. Well, at least every little one got a little something. So let's see what we got here. Okay, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, for the gingerbread man. So we're going to do 3 and a 2. All right. The snowman. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Wow. Five, 6, 7. This little corgi guy got 2. How have y'all been doing? It is almost halfway through this week. 1, 2, 3, 4. And I feel like Christmas is just coming up so fast. It's going to be here before we know it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Whoa, we finished this one. So this one just needed 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I will put this one away and I'll grab this little Christmas hat. And we'll do 3 of these bags. Okay. 1, 2, 3. And that is that. Okay, so, I forgot to tell you guys, I guess, that we started with $30. And that was from my tutoring yesterday. So $30 saved today. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, subscribe, share this video if you enjoyed it. And whatever you're doing, I hope it's a good one, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.